This is the topology diagram of the inbuilt testbed, which is developed for testing the cluster ECMP deployment with the Nexus routers as upstreams. So here we have configured /31 subnets between the cluster and the Nexus routers. And we have a client and a server which is pumping HTTP traffic to the cluster through the Nexus routers. And we have HSRP on the client side. So this is the session of the cluster IP. So we have two nodes, 206.46 and 206.47, forming a two-node cluster. So this is the hardware. So the hardware is 8900. Both the nodes are of 8900 hardware, and these two are connected to the Nexus routers upstream. And this is the SNP. These are the 4 different subnets which are used for connecting to the Nexus router. And I'm running BGP on all these 4 different subnets. So this is the BGP configuration on the NetScaler side. So I have kept the origination interval and the advertisement interval for each neighbor to minimum, so that the convergence is faster when there is a failover. So before jumping into the test, I'm going to start the traffic. One is the ping traffic and another one is the curl traffic, to show like during the failover there is actually no impact. So I'm starting a ping traffic with 0.3 interval, and I'm starting a curl request to the VIP. So we have the VIP here. So the 5.5.5, for the VIP address 5.5.5, the traffic is pumped from the client. So I'm going to set one of the nodes as passive. Cluster node 1 state passive. Before doing this, I will show the routes learned through BGP on the upstream routers. Show IP route BGP. So if you see here, for the prefix 5.5.5, each router is learning an ECMP route from the cluster node 1 and 2. So 1.3 is from node 1 and 1.5 is from node 2. Similarly, in other router, you will be able to see the ECMP routes. 1.7 and 1.9. 1.7 is from node 1 and 1.9 is from node 2. So I'm going to set the node 1 as, so the second node as passive. I have done this. I'll just show the route here. The route is withdrawn immediately from both the sides. So the traffic was continuously going on both sides. There is no issues here. There is no much traffic drop also. The ping packets have been successfully transferred, and even the curl requests are going through fine without any hindrance.